Hello, Sigma Xi officers, members, and friends. As the president of Sigma Xi, the Scientific Research Honor Society, congratulations on the establishment of the new chapter at the California State University San Marcos. This is a significant milestone. It will not only enrich your university community, but also advance our society's mission as a whole. Your commitment to Sigma Xi's mission will inspire and empower generations of students and professionals in sciences. It will foster a culture of leadership, innovation, and discovery. I have no doubt that your chapter will have a lasting impact, creating opportunities to advance sciences and celebrate research excellence. As you embark on this exciting journey, please know that the full support of Sigma Xi is behind you. I look forward to witnessing the growth and the success of your local chapter. I'm also eagerly waiting to hear the success stories and the exciting discoveries you will make to the scientific community. Once again, congratulations and the best wishes for a future filled with achievements and discovery.